Now this little oval saucer plate, because that's what it is. This is the saucer plate that was made to go with the gravy boat. Hasn't got a well for the actual gravy boat stand, but it sits on here. We've got a couple of sets that we're selling as complete, and this is an orphan saucer which has lost its gravy boat, as so many did. There's the John Maddock and Sons Vitreous England China marks with the lion and banner, and it's in very fine condition. All the measurements and everything are on the website. Indian rose, obviously the pattern, this nice key design all the way around the back in black and bronzy gold, and the gilt around the rims in very good condition. There's very little surface markings on this. It will make a very good replacement for somebody that's got the gravy boat but hasn't got the saucer anymore. We have got the full set as well, the gravy boat and saucer available for sale, so if you are looking for the full set, follow the link in the description below and then start searching Maddock Indian Tree gravy boat. This should pull all the pieces that are going on catalogue. This is available for sale from the UK, not an expensive piece of china, a nice period piece, probably somewhere 1930s, 1940s, could be later on that Maddock China mark. They used that over a very long period of time, but they didn't make this particular shape over quite such an extended period, so that's why we're probably plumping on the earlier dates rather than later production. Follow the link, take you through the website, and all the details, measurements and everything you need to make your purchase should be found there. Thanks for watching.